how to add random friends in the Monopoly Go game, and how to add stranger people, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game. After opening it, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to add random friends, tap onto friends right here at the bottom. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the add friends option on the friends and family. Now here are the random persons that you can simply invite them and add as a friend, and if they accept it, you can simply add them as the friend. Now simply tap on to invite them, just like this. And now you can see the invitation has been sent. Now you can simply open the game once in a while and the random people will simply appear right here, and you can simply invite them just like this. And after inviting them, they will accept your invitation and you can be friends on the Monopoly Go game app. And that's it. This is how you can add random friends in the Monopoly Go game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.